Oh, that's okay.
That's okay, but you know what? He did exactly what he needed to do. You know, he took it long, but that's okay. One more time. So, just shorten him up just a tiny bit, just a tiny bit. 1, 2, 3, 4. There you go. There you go. There you go. Oh, we gotta try to see if you can find him. Step in your outside stirrup. Yeah.